Hello class and welcome to today's lesson. So yesterday we went through comparing multi-digit numbers, and today we are going to start learning about how to compute multi-digit arithmetic. So today's video is just going to quickly go over how to use our online manipulative to help you guys complete these worksheets that are here for you. So if you go into Wednesday's folder for this week's assignments and click on the Base 10 Blocks link, it'll take you to this wonderful website that will help you kind of figure out these problems. So if you look over here, you can either choose to show this grid that kind of explains the thousands, or separates the thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones places to kind of easily separate those out in your mind for you in a visual way. But I'm going to choose to get rid of the grid lines by doing that, just because we're adding everything together, so it's you don't really need those grid lines. Those just kind of are there to guide you. So if you look at number 16 on your adding 4-digit numbers in columns worksheet, I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I would use this website to help me compute that problem. So the problem is 491 plus 1091. So to show 491 using our base 10 blocks, we know that we are going to use 4 of these hundreds squares to show 400. Like so. 9 of our tens to show 90. Okay, so there's our 9 to show 90, and then 1 of our ones cubes to show that digit 1 in the ones place. So here we have the number 491 represented using base 10 materials, or base 10 blocks. So now we are going to add to it 1091. So we are going to add 1 of our thousands blocks to show 1000. None of our tens, because there's a 0 in that, or hundreds, none of our hundreds because we have a 0 in that place. 9 more of these tens. Okay, and 1 of our ones blocks. Okay, so when you're looking at this, it's kind of hard to see what your answer is. We have 1000 in our thousands place. We have 4 hundreds in our hundreds place. We have 18 tens in our tens place and 2 ones in our twos place. So when we have 18 tens, we can kind of simplify that in a way that will more accurately show what our answer is. So 10 of these blocks here put together will equal 1 of our hundreds. So I'm just going to pull 10 of these over and kind of try to put them together so you guys can see how it's going to look. Okay. So now we have 1,000, 5 hundreds, 8 tens, and 2 ones. So that'll give us the number 1,582. So for the adding 4-digit numbers, you're going to have to kind of manipulate your answers, like as I just did, by moving 10 of the ones, or yeah, so either by moving 10 of the ones into a tens bar, or 10 of your tens bars into a hundreds square, or 10 of your hundred squares into a thousands cube. Now, if you look at the back, or if you look at the other words subtracting 4-digit numbers, you're going to kind of do the same thing, except for instead of adding more blocks after you represent the first number, you're going to be taking away that number of blocks that the second number is representing. So I really hope this tutorial kind of helped you guys kind of figure out how to use this manipulative, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or contact me. And be sure to upload a picture of your completed worksheets or your completed work on a separate sheet to our Google Classroom folder. Have a great rest of your day, guys.